Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Formstack to Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Formstack account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Click on the Integrations tab found in the left sidebar. In the Integrations section, find and select Salesforce. You may see an option to connect your Salesforce account. Click on the Connect button to initiate the connection process. A new window will open prompting you to log into your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce credentials and click Login. After logging in, you will be redirected back to Formstack. Now, you need to authorize Formstack to access your Salesforce data. Review the permissions requested and click Allow to grant access. Once authorized, you'll see your Salesforce account linked in Formstack. Next, go to the form you wish to connect to Salesforce. Open the form settings by clicking on the form name. Find the Salesforce integration option within the form settings. Click on this option to begin configuring the integration. Select the Salesforce object you want to connect your form data to. Map the fields from your Formstack form to the corresponding Salesforce fields. Make sure each form field is correctly matched to the Salesforce field. Once mapping is complete, save your settings. You can test the integration by submitting a response through the form. After submission, check your Salesforce account to verify the data is recorded. If successful, your Formstack and Salesforce integration is now complete. You can further customize the integration settings as needed. Consider setting up notifications or reports for your Salesforce data. Stay informed on any updates or changes to ensure ongoing functionality. Your connection between Formstack and Salesforce is now fully operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.